In this video, I'm going to tell you about a new AI feature in old iPhone models from iPhone 11 to iPhone 14 series. This Apple Intelligence feature is available on these devices along with iPhone 15 Pro and onwards models. So how you can use this feature in your older iPhone. First thing is, you have to update it to iOS 18.2 official update and then go to Control Center, tap and hold. And then tap on Add a Control and then scroll down. Here you can see in the Siri section an option of Type to Siri. When you click on this, it is added to Control Center. Now open it and this type of Type to Siri animation appears. Here you can use this feature as an artificial intelligence agent like ChatGPT and Meta AI. You can ask Siri any question and it will give you answers to these questions. This is a newly added iOS 18.2 feature in iPhones. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.